morning, boys and girls. How are you doing today? I hope that everybody is staying safe with your family and stay inside and not going outside a lot. I miss you, and I really hope that one day we can come back to school so I can see you again. Today, I am making this video to talk to you about how to represent multiplication. Okay, there are different ways to represent multiplication, and I'm gonna make an example. For example, I have 4 groups of 3. That means I have 4 groups, and there are 3 in each group. Okay, so I can represent it this way as equal group, and you guys can do this at home too, and you guys can use any item that you have at home. You can use Cheerios, you can use macaroni, you can use apple, fruit, or whatever that you have on hand to make it fun for you, okay? So Miss Perez loves mandarin, as you can see. So I bought a lot of mandarins. Today I'm gonna use mandarin to represent it for you, okay? So I have 4 group of 3, okay? So let's say I have 4 group of 3. That means I got 4 bowl. I have 4 bowl, okay? And each bowl will have 3 mandarin. So this is 4 equal groups, and each group have 3 items in there. And you guys are more than welcome to do this at home with any item you have in hands, okay? So I have 4 bowls, and each bowl have 3 items, okay? And if I put these together, if I have 4 groups of 3, that is 4 times number 3, okay? So if I get 4 times 3, this is 1 times 3, 2 times 3, 3 times 3, and 4 times 3. And this is how you write 4 times 3. 4 times 3 equal, the answer would be the total of all 4 groups of 3, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that means 4 times 3 equal 12. This is one way that you can represent multiplication, okay? Another way that you can represent multiplication is repeated addition. So I still have 4 groups of 3. So instead of having 4 bowls, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have 4 number 3 adding together. So I have 3 oranges, mandarin, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. So that is another way to represent multiplication. So you see how I have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, okay? So another way to do represent multiplication is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals, and we know the total, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 equal 12. So since we have 4 number 3 adding together, we can write it's the same. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is the same as 4 times 3, because there are 4 number 3 adding together equal 12. All right, so repeated addition. Another way is equal groups, which the same thing as 4 groups of 3. So all you have to do is just draw 4 groups, and each group have 3. Okay. So when you see this, you can also use repeated addition to represent it. And we know 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal 12. And since we have 4 number 3s, we can write our multiplication number sentence as 4 times 3 equals 12. All right? And the last way that I want to teach you how to represent multiplication is array. We kind of talk about array sometime during the school year when we were still together at school. I'm just going to talk to you real quick. Array are equal rows, okay? So if we say 4 groups of 3, so I have 4 groups of 3 right here. 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group. I don't represent it this way, but I want to represent it in row instead. So what I would do is I represent my mandarin in 4 rows of 3. You remember this? You guys remember this? That we did this together sometime during the school year when you were still in the classroom with Ms. Perez. So I have 2 rows already. Okay, and then there it is. So I have 4 rows of 3. You guys see that? So I have 1 row of 3, 2 rows of 3, 3 rows of 3, and 4 rows of 3. And that is array. And I'm going to represent it on paper real quick. So this is how we represent 4 groups of 3 or 4 rows of 3. So 1 row of 3, 2 rows of 3, 3 rows of 3, and 4 rows of 3. And this is 4 of number 3 put together. This also represents 4 times 3 equals, you know what 4 times 3 equals now, right? 4 times 3 equals 12. All right. So I hope that this video really helped you understand the concept of multiplication. Practice with your parent, practice with your brother, sister, or grandma, cousin, whoever that's staying inside the house with you. You can practice with fruit like I use it, or you can practice with Cheerios, macaroni, anything that you have on hand, okay? And when you practice, boys and girls, can you do me a favor? Make a video of you guys practicing a different way of representing multiplication and post it on Bloom for me to see. I really want to hear from you, boys and girls. I do miss you so much, okay? So I'm going to go over real quick. For groups of 3, we can represent it by repeated addition. We can represent it by equal groups. And we can represent it by drawing an array. Don't forget to post a video of you guys representing multiplication on Bloom for Miss Prairie to see, okay? Bye, and I will post something else later on Bloom's later. And I'll see you on Quizlet this Thursday, not Friday, because this Friday is Good Friday and it is a holiday. So I will see you on Quizlet this Thursday. I love you, and I hope you stay safe with your family. Bye.